Hi guys, for this video, I'm going to share for free my Adobe Lightroom presets, and we're starting right now. So hi guys, I'm JC, and for this video, I'm giving away all of my Lightroom presets to each every one of you for free. So the first thing that you need to do is grab your phone. Wait, let me grab my phone. Okay, after you grab your phone, let's proceed to the next step. For those who are running iOS tab or later, just download the Google Drive first and then save it to your photos and open it using the Lightroom app. And just copy the preset and paste it to your photos. It will for those who are running iOS 13 and or later on Android, it will be a similar experience because you can download the photos straight away from your Safari app and share it or import it to your Lightroom app straight away. Okay, so mine is a 6S Plus, which is running iOS 13 right now. For those who are running iOS 13 right now, follow me. Okay, after this, just go to the link that I will leave in the description box down below. You will be presented with all of the presets which I'm giving for free, and you can download them, all of them, for free. And for this one, just select a preset that you want to download and hit the download icon in the upper right corner. Hit download and go to this download icon in the upper right of your browser and open this downloaded raw image. So click this share sheet icon and slide to the left and click this Lightroom icon to copy the photo in straight to the Lightroom app. There are times that this method will not work, so I'm teaching you how if the photo will not show in the Lightroom app. So launch Lightroom right now. So in this part, I presume that the photos will be copied immediately, but in this part, the photo that I've downloaded is not copied straight away from the app. So what we need to do is, oh, it's copied already. So if the photo is not copied straight away to your Lightroom app, all you need to do is go to the share sheet icon and just click this save image, and it will just do the same. For this one, just go to this add icon and select the photo that you've downloaded, and that's the same. Okay, for this one it will be easier because just going to copy and paste the preset to your photo that you want to have an overlay effect or filter. For this one, click the three dot icon in the upper right and copy the settings. Select all of these settings that presented to you and click them or check them out straight away. And then on your photos, let's try this first photo. Just paste this on your photo and voila, the effect is on your photo. For this one, it just decreased the size of my photo. So all you need to do is select this photo again, the three dot icon, copy settings and unselect the geometry and tools and click check again and paste the filter, paste the preset, and that's it. If you want more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions for my next video, comment down below and I will try my best to find that one. So enjoy, see you in my next video.